What are the odds of a Quezon City boy meeting a Binangonan woman?
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend the day.
Stephen, you were not created just for any woman. You were created for Anne. And Anne, you were not created for just any man. You were created for Stephen.
The story's just begun. The story's just begun. There's only chapter one. The best is yet to come. The story's just begun. Just begun.
Stephen, mahal ko, pati na tayo. Ito na yung araw natin. Bukas, ano na yun, hanggang habang buhay na mahal ko. Ikaw pala yung lagi kong duda at tanong. Ikaw na pala talaga. Tayong tatlo na to with the Lord.
This is a story. It is yours and it is mine. There's joy in the morning. The future is bright. The story is just
Si Stephen yung alam kong kagaya ng pagmamahal ng parents ko yung may bibigay sa akin. Kung kahit kano ako kahina, alam ko hihilain pa rin ako para maging mas malakas. Sila yung mas unang naniniwala kaysa sa akin. Ganun yung nakakita ko sa kanya. Pareho-pareho ng tatay ko at ng nanay ko. Kung gaano kalakas yung tiwala nila sa akin, ganun binibigay sa akin at ng mahal ko.
I never knew it could be so easy. I never thought it could be so true. Every time I close my eyes, I feel a peace in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing.
Paulit-ulit na isipin namin na maghihiwalay kami or ayaw na namin, si North pa rin yung may babalik. Almost magbe-break kami last year, tapos bumalik kami. Parang naramdaman namin na naiyak ko. Nilaban kami ni Lord. Siya yun yung sigurado. Kahit ayaw na alam ko nilalaban kami.
And I know that I've fallen so fast for you, right into your arms. And
Daddy, kakasal na ako. Kahit na wala ka dito, alam ko, proud na proud ka sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy, at miss na kita.
there are no words to describe this feeling of what it means to now be one.
Sobrang swerte ko sa parents, kay tatay, lalo na kay nanay. Silang dalawa yung napakalaking blessing na galing kay Lord sa akin.
Forever cherishing your heart.
Heard, mahal ko sila, romantic po kayo.
And I know that I've fallen so fast for you.
Stephen, you have found the woman you were created for. And Anne, you have found the man you were created for. And now, you bring yourselves before God's holy altars to do what you were created to do, to get married.
So I give you my hand. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you my hand. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you.
So since today, from now on, you'll be my wife, I'll be your husband, and I'm ready to do my everything for you and for our family. I love you so much, and I will continue to love you for the rest of my life. I love you, mahal ko, Chris Ann ko, pap ko, asawa ko, mahal na mahal kita.
Kanina ba kita tinitingnan? O ba't ba ang sarap mo pagmasdan? Tila para bang ika'y museo na di nakakasawang puntahan. Dito ka lang mahal.
Will you marry me again? Yan. Thank you, mahal.
Ika nga ngayong gabi, ika'y sasayaw sa paborito mong kanta hanggang sa mawala tayo sa dulo ng mundo at yayakapin ka. Ikaw ang pahinga.
Mahal ko, tara na. Atin na yung habang buhay. Mrs. Anne Aure.